Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to track internet usage on Windows 11. Monitoring your internet usage can help you manage data limits and troubleshoot slow network speeds. Here is how you can track your internet data usage on Windows 11. So to get started, you have to click on the Start button and then choose the Settings tab. In the Settings window, you have to select Network and Internet from the sidebar. And then you have to scroll down and click on Data Usage under the Advanced Network Settings section. Here, you will see a detailed breakdown of data usage by apps. This shows how much data has been consumed by each app over a set period. And if you want to reset your usage statistics, you just have to click on the Reset button. This can be useful if you want to track data from a specific point in time. You can also set data limits to ensure you don't exceed a certain threshold. To do so, you just have to click on Enter Limit and follow the instructions to set your preferred data cap. And that's about it. You now know how to monitor and manage your internet data usage on Windows 11. This can help you keep track of data-intensive apps and avoid exceeding your data limits. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to keep track of internet usage on your computer at your own pace. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and a good time. Bye-bye.